Most people don't stay broke because they're lazy. They stay broke because they've fallen into traps that feel normal. If you're living paycheck to paycheck, stuck in debt, or can't seem to save, chances are one of these 5 traps is holding you back. And the worst part? You may not even know you're in them. Trap number 1, lifestyle inflation. You get a raise. You feel like you finally have breathing room, so you upgrade your phone, move to a nicer apartment, maybe buy a better car, and suddenly, the raise disappears. That's lifestyle inflation. Every time your income grows, your expenses grow with it. It feels harmless because you think, I can afford it now. But here's the truth. You're not building wealth. You're just upgrading your bills. Imagine if, instead of inflating your lifestyle, you saved or invested even half of every raise. 10 years from now, you wouldn't just have nicer things. You'd have true financial freedom. Wealth isn't about how much you make. It's about how much you keep. Trap 1. Avoid upgrading expenses automatically when income rises. Rule: allocate raises to savings and investments first. Small habits compound into freedom. Next, trap number 2, minimum payments mindset. Credit cards promise freedom, but they're designed to trap you. If you're paying only the minimum balance each month, you're walking right into that trap. Here's why. Banks make billions off interest. When you pay the minimum, you're not paying down your debt, you're feeding it. That $1,000 balance you're carrying, it could take you over 10 years to pay off if you stick to minimum payments. And in that time, you'll pay more in interest than the original debt itself. This trap gives you the illusion of progress, when in reality, you're stuck in financial quicksand. The solution? Always pay more than the minimum, even if it's just a little. Every extra dollar chips away at the chains of interest holding you back. Small, consistent extra payments shorten payoff time dramatically. You'll breathe easier and free up money for savings and investing. Trap number 3. Thinking budgeting equals restriction. When people hear the word budget, they think of struggle. They think of cutting out coffee, never eating out, or living miserably. But that's a myth. A budget isn't about restriction, it's about clarity. It's the difference between driving blindfolded and driving with a map. Think about it. Without a budget, you're constantly wondering, where did my money go? With a budget, you're telling your money exactly where to go. Want to take vacations? A budget helps you plan for it. Want to pay off debt faster? A budget helps you focus on it. The truth is, people without a budget feel restricted because their money controls them. People with a budget feel empowered because they control their money. Start with a simple zero-based or 50-30-20 structure and adjust. Review weekly and set one small goal per month. Budgeting is a tool. Use it to build the life you want, not to punish yourself. 3 basic steps. Track, allocate, review. Next, trap number 4, impulse spending on small items. We all justify little purchases with the word just. It's just $7 for coffee, just $15 for that t-shirt on sale, just $20 for takeout. But those justs add up. $7 a day for coffee is over $2,500 a year. $15 twice a week is another $1,500 a year. Impulse spending isn't about the big purchases. It's death by 1,000 cuts. Every unnecessary $10 swipe is a tiny hole in your financial bucket. Start tracking your just purchases for 30 days. You'll be shocked at how much money leaks out of your life unnoticed. Awareness is the first step to control. Trap number 5, waiting for the right time. This is one of the most dangerous traps because it feels smart. You're waiting to earn more before you start saving. You're waiting for the stock market to calm down before you invest. You're waiting for the perfect moment. But the perfect moment doesn't exist. And while you wait, time is slipping away, the most valuable resource in building wealth. Here's the secret wealthy people know. It's not about timing the market. It's about time in the market. Even small, consistent investments today can snowball into massive gains over decades. Meanwhile, the person who waits for the right time ends up with nothing but regret. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today. Don't let waiting steal your future. Escaping these traps isn't about making more money. It's about making better decisions with the money you already have. Wealth isn't built in giant leaps. It's built in small, consistent choices. So ask yourself, which of these traps are you stuck in right now? And which one will you break free from today? Drop a comment below and let's talk about it. If this helped you see money differently, hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more no-fluff finance content that helps you grow quietly and powerfully. Now it's much more in-depth and value-packed. Which one will you break free from today? Small choices, big outcomes. Start today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.